First, unfold your swing cover. Unclip any buckle straps and separate the Velcro strips. Find the tag on the bottom hem labeled back. Lay the cover beneath the swing with the back tag at the back of the swing. This is also where the mesh vent on the cover will be. Pull the cover up over one of the arms and fasten the Velcro strips around the swing supports. Repeat for the other side. Continue fastening the Velcro up the arms and across the back of the swing. Fasten the buckles beneath the swing and pull them tight. Cinch the draw cord if your cover has one. Your swing is now well protected against any weather conditions.